Right, and this Multibawo again on Multibawo TV. I want to review to us some of the accessory in our company on shoe, and I'll be talking about what I call polish. We also need polish in beautifying our shoe, in beautifying our cover shoe palm, any various type of palm. We need polish. To beautify them, to make them look nice when they are rough, when they are not smooth. Then we apply polish. The polish has carry a lot of some oil that will make our shoe to be look nice. As some of the cream that we use that make our skin to look fine. So also polish make their own cream is the polish. It make the shoe to look nice, beautiful. And majorly we have two form of polish. We have liquid or water polish. Then we have solid solid or soft polish. Okay. And then this one is an example of the water or liquid polish. Can you see now? It has a liquid content in it. This is how you open it. And if you want to use the side to apply it, will be coming now from the container. And this is one type. Called can use silver. This is one type of the water liquid. Water or liquid polish. This is one variety of it, and this one is the black type. This is the black type. You can use to polish your shoe to make your shoe look nice. I say you can buy this for your personal use. You can as well buy as much as possible. You can buy for your friend as gifts. You can buy for your staff as gifts. I say you want to give somebody the gift, give the person what is valuable, what the person can use. Are you getting me? Then you can buy for your wife, you can buy for your husband as well, you can buy for your children. Nobody that is not using polish. Okay, you can buy like point and resell. You can invest on this in a company, and every month you get your money. In case you want to contact me, share the show more button. You see how you can get me on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on email. Alright. In case you have not subscribed on this YouTube, make sure you do that now. Multibawo TV. Tell your friends and let your friends tell their friends now. Are you getting me? Remember, on this channel, learners are earners. Don't stop learning. Continue learning. I said click on the show more button. You see how you can get me on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on email. My name still remains Multibawo, and I am saying till I come your way next time, and I am saying that you should remain an epitome of beauty. Remain an epitome of beauty.